Good morning, Hangout Gang. Today is January 25th at 6:25 a.m. And I know it's been a while since we did the video, but I figured it's time that we did the video and go and look over the charts. So I'm your host, Crypto Crane, and welcome to an episode of the technical analysis here on the Crypto Hangout Network on the Sunday Hangout Network channel. And if you're not aware, you can catch our shows on the Sunday Night Hangout here on Spotify. Just type in the Sunday Night Hangout and you can catch the podcast there. Okay, so let's get into the charts. As you can see, I'm going to start off with Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. And as you can see, you had that big channel that Bitcoin was following down into, right? And it broke out of that channel. You had a golden cross right here. And as you can see, price action moved up right here. As of right now on this daily, Bitcoin is showing a bull flag. So I expect more upside the rest of this week. It should pull back a little bit. As you can see, RSI is in overbought territory. And the buying and selling pressure is the same. Okay, so it's not a lot of buying pressure, not a lot of selling pressure, it's almost equal. MACD is in the green, so I suspect it should pull back as well as the RSI is severely overbought. Okay, now you're gonna have a little consolidation here along this 22,000. So we'll go down here to the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, that 4-hour chart, you have that golden cross that was right here on. Let's see what day was that. Golden cross on January the 2nd. You had a golden cross, and as you can see, price action went parabolic up. You have a cross right here, golden cross, the 21 crossing the 50, the 50 crossing the 200, and look at price action parabolic moving up. Price action is going to continue to follow 21 SMA, which is this white line right here. As you can see, it's moving sideways and consolidating, forming a bullish sentiment. And as you can see on the 4-hour chart, RSI is falling back down, approaching the mid levels. Okay, so once it falls back down to under 30, then it will rise back up again. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart right here, and as you can see, let's take a look at the hour chart, see what it's going to do. This is the hour chart. You can see the 21 is moving sideways along with the 80 and the 100. And so everything is consolidating right here. So I think it should probably do this right here today before trying to make a move. And if this RSI falls back down under 30, then I expect it to make a move up towards this resistance mark of $23,000. Okay. Now, right now is the time that people are in disbelief. Okay, people are in disbelief because Bitcoin is running up. And it's moving sideways and it's running up again. They don't think it's going to run up past anything. Now I'm going to tell you that your market is going to be 50,000. Okay, once Bitcoin hits 50K, then you're going to see a panic to own because people are really going to be in disbelief. So once Bitcoin gets up in here, you're going to start to see that panic to own because people are going to be like, okay, what's going on with Bitcoin? So I have been accumulating Bitcoin even when it was down here and throughout this whole entire time. I have been accumulating Bitcoin. Okay. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. As you can see, had a big sell-off this morning on Ethereum, or yesterday, right? It came back down here to the 100, which is the blue right here. And I think he's going to bounce up off of this 16,000 mark and come back up here and back up into this 16,000, almost 1700 range. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, it's oversold, and so I suspect Ethereum to have a little run up sometime today. If not a lot, but not much, but a little run up. Same thing with here on Ethereum. As you can see, the 21 is crossing the 200. It needs to pull this 50 up with it. If it pulls the 50 up with it, you're going to have the same parabolic price action as you did with Bitcoin. Okay, and once it breaks this 17,000, then you're smooth selling up here to $2,000. So once it breaks that 1,700, you're smooth selling it to $2,000. This is Ethereum. All right. So let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance has risen as the money is flowing into Bitcoin. It's approaching oversold territory, overbought territory. So expect to pull back a little bit and a little money to flow into the altcoins. Okay, but as of right now, majority of the money is flowing into the Bitcoin. This is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. As you can see, you had a rounded bottom right there. It's forming a cup and handle. So I expect for that to have a lot more upward price action moving here in the next couple of days as well. Okay. Now, let's look at here. This is the altcoins. Okay, as you can see, it's coming in. This is the total market cap for. So this is altcoins. So you had it ran up with Bitcoin as well, but you see right here, you have the 21 getting ready to cross this. So I expect a big movement in altcoins coming sometime within the next couple of days, maybe towards the end of the week, maybe the weekend. Because as this 21 crosses that 50 right there, you have a golden cross, and it will pull all this price action upward, and price action will follow that 21. Okay. Now let's take a look at XRP. And as you can see, XRP had the same thing. This is the daily on XRP. And you have the 21 crossing the 50, which is coming up towards the 200. So you're going to see a lot of significant price action in some of these coins when this 21 crosses the 50 and the 100, or 21 crosses the 100 and it pulls the 50 SMA along with it. That's when you get parabolic price action, because it's called a golden cross. Okay. Now XRP hourly chart. As you can see on the hourly chart, RSI is looking good. Selling volume and buying pressure is not too bad, and it is bouncing between the 21 and the 100. Okay, so once this 21 pulls back up, it'll pull a price action with it, and it'll bring that 100 SMA along up with it too. Okay, so as you can see on the hour chart, that XRP is bouncing on the 100 and then going back up to the 21, coming back down, bouncing on the 100. 21 is short for your day trader. This is something that you might want to look at. This is the 4-hour chart here, and as you can see on the 4-hour charts, coming down, touching the 50, and then coming back up. It's staying right along that 50, in between that 50 and 21 SMA. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, and let's see here. So the crypto crane. And this is your daily technical analysis. If you have any other coins that you want me to go over to look at, please leave a comment below in the comment section, whether you're watching on YouTube or whether you're watching on Spotify, or whether you're watching on any other Pandora or any other podcasting platform. Just leave a message of what you would like, coins you would like for us to review, and to charts you would like for us to look at, and we will take a look. Alright, so this is Crypto Crane signing out for a daily technical analysis. Until tomorrow, we shall see you.